Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Listen and Learn, the channel where we focus on real, practical English that helps you speak with confidence in everyday situations. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe because here you will learn English in a simple, clear, and realistic way that actually works in real life. Now, let me ask you something. Why do you understand English clearly when you listen, but struggle the moment you try to speak? Why do your sentences suddenly stop in the middle, even though you know the words? And after spending so much time studying English, why does fluency still feel so far away? The truth is, the problem is not your intelligence, not your effort, and not even your grammar. The real problem is that most learners are never shown how English fluency actually works and how it should be built step by step in a natural way. Fluency is not about speaking perfect English or sounding like a native speaker. It is about speaking smoothly, confidently, and without fear, using the English you already have. Now that you know what this video is about, let's begin. Training your brain to think in English. Have you ever noticed that you can understand English when someone speaks, but you freeze when it is your turn to talk? Do you feel like your brain is slow even though you know what you want to say? Do you translate sentences in your head before speaking and then lose confidence because it takes too long? These problems happen not because you are weak in English, but because your brain is not trained to think in English naturally. Most English learners train their brains only to receive English, not to produce it. They listen, read, and watch a lot of content, but when it comes to speaking, their brain is not ready. Understanding English and speaking English use different mental processes. When you listen, your brain recognizes meaning, but when you speak, your brain must create sentences in real time. If you never train this process, speaking will always feel difficult, no matter how much English you understand. One of the biggest reasons learners struggle is the habit of translation. When you think in your native language and then try to convert your thoughts into English, your brain becomes overloaded. This extra step slows you down and creates fear. Fluency begins when you remove translation and allow your brain to work directly in English. This does not mean using advanced vocabulary or complex sentences. It means allowing simple English thoughts to come naturally without stopping yourself. To train your brain to think in English, you must start small and consistent. Begin by describing simple actions in your daily life, using English in your mind or out loud. When you wake up, say things like, I am getting up, I am brushing my teeth, or I am making tea. These sentences are simple, but they are powerful because they teach your brain to connect actions with English directly. Over time, your brain stops searching for translations and starts responding automatically. Another effective method is answering imaginary questions in English. Ask yourself basic questions such as, what am I doing right now? What do I want today? Or how do I feel at this moment? Then answer them using simple sentences. This kind of practice forces your brain to organize thoughts in English even when no one is listening. The goal here is not correctness, but speed and comfort. The more comfortable your brain becomes, the smoother your speaking will feel. Many learners wait until they feel confident before speaking, but confidence actually comes after action, not before it. When you practice thinking in English daily, even for a few minutes, your brain slowly adapts. At first, it will feel uncomfortable and slow, but this is a good sign. It means your brain is learning something new. Just like muscles grow through resistance, fluency grows through discomfort. It is also important to accept silence and mistakes during this process. When your brain pauses, do not panic. Pauses are part of learning. Fluent speakers pause too. The difference is that they do not judge themselves for it. If you allow your brain to relax, thoughts will come more easily. Pressure blocks thinking, while calmness allows language to flow. To recap, thinking in English is not a talent, it is a trained habit. Translation slows fluency, while simple daily English thoughts speed it up. Your brain needs regular speaking-related training, not just listening and reading. Your action step from this point is very clear. Every day, spend at least 5 minutes describing your actions, thoughts, or feelings in simple English without translating and without judging yourself. This single habit will slowly rewire your brain and bring you closer to real English fluency. Why simple English builds real fluency. Do you ever feel stuck trying to speak English because you are looking for the perfect word or a complex sentence? Have you noticed that sometimes native speakers sound much more fluent using short, simple sentences than you do with long, complicated ones? Why does complexity slow you down? And why does simplicity help you speak faster and with more confidence? These are questions every learner should understand before trying to improve fluency. The truth is, real fluency is built on simplicity, not sophistication. Most learners make the mistake of thinking that using advanced words or long sentences will make them sound fluent. In reality, it often does the opposite. When you try to speak complex sentences under pressure, your brain slows down, your confidence drops, and hesitation appears. Native speakers, even highly educated ones, often communicate using simple structures because clarity and speed matter more than complexity. The goal of fluency is to get your message across smoothly, not to impress anyone with your vocabulary. So, how can you use simple English to build fluency? First, focus on core sentence patterns that are used in everyday communication. Examples include I am plus verb, I want to plus verb, I think that, and I feel plus adjective. Mastering these patterns allows you to communicate most of your daily needs without overthinking. The more you repeat these patterns with different words, the faster your brain becomes at producing sentences automatically. This repetition builds confidence, speed, and comfort, key elements of fluency. Another crucial point is that vocabulary alone does not create fluency. Many learners spend hours memorizing words without learning how to use them in sentences. It is not enough to know 5,000 words if your brain cannot quickly form sentences with them. Instead, learn vocabulary within phrases and sentences. For example, instead of memorizing the word improve, practice it in sentences like, I want to improve my English, or I am improving my speaking skills every day. This way, your brain connects meaning, context, and action, which is exactly how fluent speakers process language. Fluency also grows when you focus on what you already know instead of constantly chasing new words or grammar rules. Repeating simple sentences, practicing them in different situations, and gradually increasing variety is far more effective than trying to speak perfectly or impressively from the start. Simple English gives your brain the space to think and speak quickly, while complex English often blocks thought and creates hesitation. Finally, remember that simple English does not mean weak English. It means strong English that works in real life. Fluency is measured by how naturally and confidently you communicate. Simple, clear sentences allow ideas to flow, mistakes to be made without fear, and confidence to grow. Fluent speakers think about meaning, not about impressing others with complicated grammar. That is why simplicity is the foundation of real fluency. To recap, trying to speak complex English too early slows fluency, while focusing on simple sentences builds speed, confidence, and natural flow. Core sentence patterns, repeated practice, and using vocabulary in context are the key methods. Your action step is simple. Identify 10 core sentence patterns and practice them daily with different words. Use them actively in your thoughts and speech, and watch your English begin to flow naturally and confidently. Building a long-term mindset for fluency. Do you ever feel like you are improving for a while, but then progress suddenly slows or disappears? Have you asked yourself why fluency seems easy for some people and so difficult for others, even after years of study? And do you wonder why learning English sometimes feels frustrating or never-ending? These are questions that reveal a key truth. Fluency is not a short-term goal. It is a long-term mindset and habit. The reality is that real English fluency is not built overnight. It is the result of consistent effort, patience, and the willingness to embrace mistakes as part of learning. Many learners give up too soon because they expect instant results. They see others speaking fluently and assume they are far behind. But fluent speakers are not necessarily more talented. They have invested time, practice, and patience into training their brain to think, speak, and process English naturally. Understanding that fluency is a journey rather than a destination is the first step toward lasting progress. So, how do you build a long-term mindset for fluency? First, accept that mistakes are essential for learning. Every time you stumble, mispronounce a word, or forget a sentence, your brain is actually growing stronger. Fluent speakers rarely judge themselves harshly for errors. They use them as feedback to improve. By changing your perspective and seeing mistakes as opportunities, you remove fear and create space for faster improvement. Second, focus on small, consistent wins rather than perfection. Fluency grows through incremental improvements, speaking more smoothly today than yesterday, understanding more than last week, or forming sentences faster than before. Track your progress, celebrate small achievements, and build momentum. These small wins compound over time, leading to confidence, natural flow, and eventually true fluency. Third, maintain a learning mindset throughout your life. Even highly fluent speakers continue to learn new words, expressions, and communication strategies. View English as a skill that grows with practice, not a test to pass. Regular reading, listening, Speaking and thinking in English will continually refine your abilities. The key is to integrate English into your daily life so it becomes a natural part of your thinking and communication rather than a separate task. Finally, combine everything you have learned from the previous points: thinking in English, simple sentences, active listening, speaking without fear, vocabulary practice, and a daily routine into a consistent long-term habit. The brain needs repetition over months and years to fully internalize patterns, so patience and persistence are essential. By committing to continuous practice, even when progress feels slow, you build a fluency that lasts for life. To recap, fluency is a long-term journey, not a short-term goal. Mistakes are opportunities, small daily improvements compound over time, and a lifelong learning mindset ensures continued growth. Your action step is to commit to English practice every day for the next month, combining all the methods you've learned in this video. Reflect weekly, adjust where needed, and keep moving forward. Over time, you will find that English no longer feels difficult. It will flow naturally, confidently, and comfortably. Congratulations! You have now learned the 8 key strategies to grow your English fluency. Understanding fluency, training your brain, thinking in English, listening actively, speaking without fear, building vocabulary, creating a daily routine, and adopting a long-term mindset. By applying these strategies consistently, your English will improve faster and more naturally than you ever imagined. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Listen and Learn for more practical English lessons. Remember, fluency is not about perfection, it's about progress, confidence, and consistent effort. Keep practicing, stay patient, and watch your English transform over time. Thank you for watching, and as always, let's begin practicing.